Good morning, CMS, and welcome to Mongoose Monday. Today is Monday, October 12th, 2020. Now, many of you do not know who the mongoose is, but let me tell you that the mongoose, he is good at everything. The mongoose, if you want to know, here are some quick little snippets of how good the mongoose is at basketball. Ooh, you did not see that one coming. Oh. Ooh. The mongoose, he's come to play today. Game, mongoose. That's how we do it here. Yes, the mongoose is also a pool shark. Or a mongoose shark, however you want to put it. That's what I'm talking about. I've got talent for days. So, with that being said, that gives a little background of who the mongoose is. And because today is Monday, it is Mongoose's day. It is his time to shine, like every day. Now, we're going to stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Well, hello again. Today's menu for Monday, Mongoose Monday, is barbecue riblet, sandwich, steak fries, vegetable medley, watermelon, and fresh fruit. Choice B is stuffed crust pizza. And for breakfast, sweet cinnamon snack and waffle, juice or milk. Now, for Tuesday's menu, you have hot or barbecue wings. You have hot wings, you also have barbecue wings. I know the mongoose likes the hot wings. And we also have fresh cornbread. Sauces on the side. Sauces are on the side. Celery sticks, ranch dressing, orange slices, or fresh fruit. Choice B, mozzarella sticks with marinara. Breakfast, a super donut. Not just a donut, but a super donut. Just like the mongoose, who is super. We next have applesauce, cup, and milk. Now, we move on to beards for bicycle giveaway. Now, the mongoose, he loves riding the bike. He rides it every day. He actually won the Tour de France in 1979. It was easy. With that being said, my friends, this beards for bicycles giveaway will take place at the Village Hall in Seville, October 18th. This giveaway is for ages 3 and 14. There's a drive-thru to pick up a ticket between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And at 12:01 p.m., that's right, at 12:01, don't be late. The drawing will begin. 12 bicycles will be given away. That is a dozen bicycles. Not the baker's dozen, but a dozen. You will be notified if your name is drawn so that you can return and pick up your new bike. Now, courtesy of Walmart and Wadsworth, a new helmet will also be given with the bike. It's very important that you show up for this if you want a new bike. Now, attention CMS students and staff. This week starts Socktober. The mongoose loves nice warm socks, specifically in the wintertime. Now, for those of you that want to turn in socks, you have to go to the home base and drop them off. The home bases will be competing in a tournament The mongoose loves competition. He thrives in pressure situations. Now, the winner gets a donut party. The winner of the home base that has the most socks gets a party, a donut party. And the mongoose loves donuts, specifically super donuts, and specifically donuts filled with cream and maple on top. That is right, my friends. Also, remember, online students, you can drop your donations off in the bin that is outside the cafeteria doors. Thank you so much for your support. With that being said, we also have another special announcement. We are going to go to that right now. Crazy Sock Day is going to be October 14th. So please show off your crazy socks. With that being said, we have the bulletin board. Yes, October 12th to the 16th, Socktober donation collection will begin. And then, during the course of the week. Next, we have Crazy Sock Day, which I just announced on the 14th. The quote of the day: if an opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. That is right, build a door. Next, we have students, remember your cult pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. That concludes Mongoose Monday. Congratulations, students, and have a wonderful Monday. And be blessed, my friends.